Welcome to our 500th video milestone, a remarkable 28-year journey built on trust and excellence. You are the reason we grow. From a humble workshop shed to a powerhouse of motor services, our evolution has been constant. By documenting our expertise, we are connecting the industry through technology, one video at a time. Our strength lies in our organized units and a growing family of 23.5K subscribers, but our service journey remains infinite. Our departments are our core strength. Their seamless synergy is what fuels our growth every single day. From precision engineering to dedicated support, from winding and assembly to our precision machine shop and dynamic balancing, our dedicated teams in stores, purchase, and dispatch ensure a seamless flow of quality. We lead with advanced solutions like vacuum pressure impregnation, our 26 years of technical expertise. We don't just repair motors, and bulk motor servicing. With rigorous testing facilities and heavy-duty crane capacity, we eliminate downtime. When the world rests, we work. We handle the toughest challenges. From expert on-site services, from restoring power to reinventing reliability, we are your partners in progress, today and every day. And machine shop repairs to core restacking, rental motors, and genuine spare supply, we ensure your industrial productivity never stops. Because maximizing your industrial productivity is our ultimate priority. From restoring power to serving the nation from the heart of South India, our reach extends across Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Pondicherry. This growth would not have been possible without you. Our dedicated team is our true backbone, driving every transformation with their specialized skill and grit. As we look towards the future, we thank you for being an integral part of our story.